Hi everyone, let us see the next example. A 6, 1, B 8, 2 and C 9, 4 are three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. If E is the midpoint of DC, find the area of triangle ADE they are asking. Quadrilateral ABCD. Sorry, not the quadrilateral, it is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, A coordinates are 6, 1, B coordinates are 8, 2, C coordinates are 9, 4 and the D coordinates we don't know. And what they are telling? And E is the midpoint of DC they are telling. E is the midpoint of DC. E is the midpoint of DC. Find the area of triangle ADE they are asking you. That is ADE. This triangle they are asking. Find the area of triangle. Now, D coordinates we don't know. And how do we find out D coordinates? E is the midpoint of DC they were given to us and the E coordinates also we don't know. So how do we find it out? First of all, D we have to find out. Then we have to go for E. How do we find out D? Now please look at here. In D, in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals. That means BD is the diagonal and AC is another diagonal. Both the diagonals meet at the point F you imagine. That means in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means this point, these are equal and this point and this part are equal. So this point is the midpoint of AC, right? The same point is also the midpoint of BD, right? So what am I going to do? Midpoint of AC, first I will find it out. Midpoint of AC, how do we will find? X1 plus X2 by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. X1 plus X2 by 2. That is 6 plus 9 by 2, comma 1 plus 4 by 2. This is 6 plus 9 is 15 by 2, comma here 5 by 2. This is the midpoint of AC, that is F. The same F is the midpoint of BD also. Therefore, F equal to midpoint of BD I am writing. Midpoint of BD. Why? Because in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Based on that, F is the midpoint of BD also. So F values are 15 by 2, 5 by 2 equal to midpoint of BD. Let this one be X, Y you take. Then 8 plus X by 2, 2 plus Y by 2 equal to 15 by 2, 5 by 2. That is 8 plus X by 2 equal to 15 by 2. That is both 2 gets cancelled. 8 plus X is equal to 15. Therefore, X is equal to 15 minus 8, 7. So, 2 plus Y by 2 equal to 5 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2 plus Y equal to 5. That is Y equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Therefore, D points are what? D coordinates are 7, 3. Now, we know D coordinates are 7, 3. Now, what is given to us? E is the midpoint of DC is given to us. Therefore, E equal to midpoint of DC. So, midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 16 by 2, comma 7 by 2. This value is 8, comma 7 by 2. E points also we know. We know now A point, B point and E point. Using this one, we have to find out the area of triangle ADE. E point is 8, 7 by 2. Let this one be x1, y1. Let this is x2, y2. Let this is x3, y3. Now, area of triangle ADE equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Half modulus of x1 is 6. y2 3 minus y3 7 by 2 plus x2 is 7. y3 7 by 2 minus y1. x3 8. y1 1 minus y2 3. Half modulus of 6 into 2 3s are 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 by 2 plus 7 into 7 minus 2 by 2 plus 8 into minus 2. Half modulus of 6 into minus 1 by 2, cancellation, 2 3s are 6, plus 7 into 5 by 2 minus 8 2s are 16. Then half modulus of minus 3 minus 16 plus 35 by 2. This is half modulus of minus 19 plus 17.5 I can take. Half modulus of 17.5 means how much is it should be? 1.5 minus 1.5 by 2, that is 1.5 by 2. This is 15 by 20. This is 5 3s 5 4s. This is equal to 3 by 4 square units. Clear? Thank you.